How much can you make with put option? How much do you need to invest? And how much return could you get with put option? I'm going to show you step by step how to buy put option. On November 3rd, Thursday, I only made $9 in the stock markets. It's okay. In stock markets, it's better to take profits quickly and cut losses quickly than lose everything. Do not lose money in stock markets. Do you know why it's not important? The next day on November 4th, Friday, I made over $1,000 in a day. Is it because the stock market was up all the time? No, I'm gonna tell you why in the later part of the videos. On November 4th, stock market went up. S&P 500 up 1.36%, Dow Jones 1.26%, Nasdaq 1.28%, Russell 1.13%. Oil was up, 10-year bond was up as well. It's because of the elections. After midterm election, stock market has historically been positive all of the time. But this year could be different because we are having unprecedented situation with high inflation, high interest rate. There is a risk of stagflation. There could be a recession with inflation. That's called stagflation. Every sector was up except some automobile, Tesla, CRM, a few other stocks. So that was a good day in the market. But that was not the main reason why I made over $1,000 in that day. It's because of this Carvana. Carvana stock was down 39% in a day. So it was so crazy. And I made over $2,800 on Carvana put option. Carvana put option, expiration date November 18, 2022. Strike price $20. Put options. That's how much total I made on this put option. And how much did I invest? And how long did it take for me to make this amount? I invested $600. It was only $1.20 per put options. I bought 5 put options on September 12, less than 2 months. I sold some put options on different days. I did not sell everything at once. So that was a great return. 5 times the money. I put $600. I made close to $3,000. 5 times my money in less than 2 months. That's pretty crazy. So Carvana was down over 54% in 1 month. That was a big drop. So next step, I'm going to show you how to buy put options step by step. Look up CVN in your stock brokerage account. It's a symbol of Carvana stock. Then I'm going to choose buy put option expiration date 18th. So this is an example only. This is not a financial advice. You can choose any expiration date as you want. But remember, the closer to the expiration date, you run the risk of your options becoming zero. If your option is off the money, so that means that for put option, you want to buy $20, but the stock price is at $25. So your put option is off the money. So on the expiration date, your put option is going to become zero. If it's in the money, your option is going to have some value. Let's say you choose $20 put options, and the stock price goes down to $10. So you are $10 in the money. So your option is going to have some intrinsic value, $10 for that. In my case, I chose $20 expiring on November 18. Now it costs about $12.87. When I bought this put option, it was only over $1. Can you imagine how much can you do with that money? That's a lot of money. So that was a great options. This stock, Carvana, is a used car seller. Recently, because of high inflation, high interest rate, used car prices have come down. So that's why this company could be facing bankruptcy. So that's why this stock went down over 50% within 1 month and over 38% within 1 day. I'm gonna buy $20 strike price put options expiration on 18. This is just an example. You can choose whatever you like. Usually it's better to choose in the money put options, because if it's out of the money on the expiration date, your option is going to become 0. So click on that. Then after that, you can click continue. You check, click on continue. One cool thing about Robinhood is that it shows you maximum profit of 720. How much can you lose? 1,280. So you know how much you're investing, how much you could potentially get. And you can use any stockbroker you like. I'm gonna give you the links. Some of my favorite stockbrokers down below. You can get free stocks. So after that, you can review order. If you like it, click on it. Usually I like to have profit more than loss. So you can choose anything related to anything, like maybe $15. You can choose that put option as well. Then your maximum profit is gonna increase. So and you can choose anything. So one thing you need to remember is if you choose one put option, you just uncheck another put option. For that, then your maximum profit is 720. Your maximum loss is 780. It gets better. So you need to know how to choose expiration date and also how much profit and how much loss you can get. Usually I want my put option to have a potential profit more than potential loss. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe.